Next up, we have a credit note. A credit note is a commercial document that's issued by a seller to a buyer to cancel or reduce previous invoice. It serves as a legal recording to acknowledge a reduction in what the customer owes due to reasons like returned goods, pricing errors, or damage to the product. This credit can then be applied to future purchases, or it can even be refunded to the customer. A credit note looks a lot like an invoice. You'll have from who it is, so your company with your VAT number, to whom you're making it out to, and their VAT number. You'll have the matching invoice number, the date, and then the description will be of what goods are being returned and how much of each, and then the total price of that cost. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.